Conversation about success with Deepika. What success did you achieve? I don't know if it matters to somebody or not, but passing the IELTS exam with 7.5 band was a huge success for me. So, when did you get that success, Deepika? I got it 2 years ago when I was in the university. Was it hard to get that success, Deepika? It was hard for me since I wasn't good at speaking and academic subjects at all. I used to study 10 to 12 hours every day. I was such a nerd that even while eating out in a restaurant, I used to solve some reading passage. Everyone around me thought I was working extremely hard. Great! Was there anyone who supported you? Absolutely. My family supported me a lot. My mom prepared good meals for me so that I can be healthy and study well, while my sister helped me with reading and speaking section. Whatever I need for practice is given to me. Thus, I have complete support from my family to work hard and score good bands. Great. Okay, tell me, how did you get it? Well, it's difficult to explain, but I try. I stuck to books day and night. I preferred to watch the basic concepts on YouTube, Facebook, and other social media, and the way exam is carried. As soon as I got somewhat idea about the examination and its module, I started practicing it. The most difficult part I found was reading. That's great. Can you tell me, Deepika, what were some difficulties in achieving success? Depends on your definition of success. Did I succeed at work today? Yes, I believe so. Did I succeed at eating perfectly today? No. If by success you mean being financially free, then those who have talent, grit, and positive thinking see challenges as building blocks to success that actually build a better character. Generally, the greater the achievement, more challenges were overcome. Absolutely. Can I ask, Deepika, how did you feel when you were successful? I was over the moon then. The pain that comes from struggling to learn something hard, followed by the delight in knowing that I can still surprise myself through learning. Well said. Okay, what does success mean to you, Deepika? As a starting point, it's helpful to know that success is typically defined as reaching a goal or accomplishing something you have set out to achieve. It provides a source of motivation for people to change their lives and values. Absolutely. What is your key to success, Deepika? I don't particularly have any key to success. Just work hard and try your best. Everything good will come to you.